So you can see such an what I said, that Kailasnath temple monolith, and it is started cutting from what? Top. Can you see this? I said, next one I said Narasimhavarman first at Mahabalipuram. Again, that is same Mamlapuram. There is, I said, 5 Ratha, or you can say also pagoda. Clear? 5 Ratha or 5 pagoda. रथा, पगोड़ा का मतलब पहले ही समझा चुका हूं, यस है ना? Listen me, clear. If you'll go into the south, ratha means something different, but hai ratha hi, yes or not? Looking like I said, someone is pulling, chariot structure. But the major point, it is ratha, it is, I said, in the southern Pallava, it is in a monolith. It is again, I said that all are, listen me carefully, monolith and self-standing. वहीं पे काट कर जैसे भी बनेगा मोनोलिथ होंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली सेल्फ स्टैंडिंग, यस आना, इट इज वेरी हार्ड इन स्ट्रक्चर, यस आना. तो रथा ऑफ पल्लवा और दिस 5 pagodas, what is the structure? I said that one, it will be a Sris, yes or not, Bhimana style, and at the same time they will be what? Monolith. Is it clear? Yes, there will be what? याद हो गया? तो लिख लेंगे रथास इन द साउथ in Dravidian architecture. Rathas in the south in Dravidian architecture represents chariot structure, but it has a self-standing feature made up of monolith. Self-standing feature made up of, yes, monolith. Is it okay? और जनरली अदर रथास, एक रथास हमने आज ही देखा था, यस, कौन सा रथा? कामाख्या, यस आना, नीलांचल स्टाइल. इट इज नॉट एन मोनोलिथ, ये तो बनाया गया, यस आना, इट इज नॉट एन मोनोलिथ. रथा, आई सेड, and then 5 rathas are, I said that it is 5 rathas are, कौन था नाम पहला? 5 पांडवास, युधिष्ठिर, धर्मराज, यस आना, धर्म राज रथा. Thereafter, yes, tell me, भीम, अर्जुना, नकुल सहदेव, इसके बगैर तो महाभारत ही नहीं होता. द्रौपदी, हाँ, इनका एक ही अलग अलग था, इनका एक ही साथ बनाया गया, तो हम क्या करें? मैं बोलूं क्या? दिस इज द वन ऑफ द क्रिटिसिज्म. भीमा, अर्जुना, नकुल, सहदेव. इस आर्किटेक्चर में थोड़ा सा दूर में लिखिएगा. इट हैज व्हाट? इट हैज अ सेंस ऑफ चैत्यास एंड विहारास. एंड चैत्यास और विहारास का क्या है? यस टेल मी. यहां लिखने की जगह नहीं, इसलिए इधर लिख रहा हूं, आप इधर ही लिखेंगे. I said that barrel vaulted सीलिंग्स, याद है बैरल वोल्टेड सीलिंग्स? यस और नॉट? ऊपर का सीलिंग कैसा रहेगा? कैसा रहेगा? यस टेल मी. So they have an, what I said, that influence of Chaityas and Viharas. And which one? Perhaps आपको सारा याद है, मैं बताया हूं each and every features. Yes? Barrel vaulted, ऊपर से बंदूक होता है ना बैरल, इसका ऊपर vaulted. धर्म राजा कैसा था? इसका प्लान स्क्वायर था. कैसा था? यस टेल मी. स्क्वायर शेप. भीमा elongated. भीमा. यस. द्रौपदी भाई लेडी है तो कर्विलिनियर. Curvilinear. And this is also the smallest. No need to know about the others. I said that all have sense of what? Chaityas and Viharas. And धर्मराजा का कैसा बना था? धर्मराजा है, चारों तरफ एक ही जैसा सोचेंगे. Can you remember? क्योंकि किसी भी स्टाइल को कोई पिक्चर देने का मतलब होता है ऑलवेज. यस ना? भीमा कहीं पे भी इलोंगेट हो जाते थे. खाओ पिए लेट जाओ. यस. And Draupadi, I said that curvilinear, and it is the what? I said that it has been made smallest. All 5 pagodas or 5, I said that. Yes, tell me. Ratha, all are what? I said that. Tell me. क्या बोल रहा था? Monolith. कुछ और बोल रहा था शायद. वो तो है ही. क्या? Made during what? Narasimha Varman first. Is it okay? And Mamlapuram से fell. This is Mahabalipuram और Mamlapuram से थोड़ा सा साउथ में जाएंगे. There is a Kanchipuram. Which one? Which one? Which one? And there is a shore temple. Which one? यहाँ पे Shiva and Vishnu both are worshipped. Shiva and Vishnu. And it is also Ratha. It is also what? Ratha. Is it okay? It is also what I said? Ratha. And याद हो गया? शोर टेम्पल और दोनों ये कहां पे हैं? टेल मी. यस. एंड देयर आफ्टर आई सेड रथा. और ऐसा कहा जाता है कि देयर आर 6 मोर रथास. 6 मोर रथास submerged in sea. Submerged in. कभी कभी आप 7 पगोडास पढ़ते हैं. 7 पगोड़ा और 7 रथा, वो यहां के लिए है. तो 1 सोर टेम्पल इज इटसेल्फ व्हाट? पगोड़ा. एंड देन 6 हैव बीन व्हाट आई सेड दैट? सबमर्ज्ड. ध्यान रखिएगा ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. इज इट ओके? ये कितना पगोड़ा है? यस टेल मी. 5. एंड दिस इज व्हाट? एंड इसमें से 7 में से 6 हैज बीन just near to the coast. This Sor temple is also near to the coast. Can you remember? Can you remember? Tell me. And this is during the which one? Maximum Narasimha Varman first, and thereafter coming of Narasimha Varman second. Which one? याद हो गया? नरसिम्हा वर्मन सेकेंड इज एसोसिएटेड विद, इसको क्या बोलते थे? राजसिम्हा. इट इज नॉन एज व्हाट आई सेड दैट? राजसिम्हा. एंड देयरफॉर इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज राज. जो इन्होंने टेंपल बनाया राज सिम्हेश्वरा, और द टेंपल नेम इज Kailashnath. Which one? Kailashnath temple. Is it okay? Ellora में जो the Ellora which I said Kailashnath temple made by the I said Krishna first, Rashtrakutas king. Yes or not? और ये Kailashnath temple made by which one? वो Rashtrakutas. This is I said that Pallavas. तो दोनों में अलग है. Understood it? This is Kailashnath temple. K for Kailashnath, K for Kanchipuram. कहाँ पर? Can you remember? K for Kailashnath, K for Kailashnath, K for killer. And who made? Narsimha Varman II, and it is known as Raj Simha or Raj Simheshwara temple. Which one? Can you remember Raj? Can you remember? पूरा ध्यान दे, focused. Is it okay? And giving you comparative study so that whatever the question you can feel it. Generally हम लोग आर्ट एंड कल्चर फैक्ट्स के बेसिस पढ़ते हैं, बट दीज आर नॉट द फैक्ट्स. जब भी कुछ डेवलप हुआ होगा तो देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ व्हाट रिलेशन. इज इट ओके? सो दिस इज अबाउट व्हाट? Pallavas. Yes sir, this is about what? Pallavas. And Pallavas में which are the important ruler? I said that Mahendra Varman first, Narsimha Varman first, Mahendra Varman second, Narsimha Varman second, Nandi Varman after. Can you remember? And mostly it is developed during which one? Mahendra Varman first, rock cut, cave architecture, and then structural. Remember that structural development, structural architecture developed, but it is not the climax, but it is transition phase. Is it okay? Clear? I said, और वो एक बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है. Again I am telling you, you do not require to understand this one high level of I said that history knowledge, that you should be I said that expert in history. Yeah. अरे आपको इंडिया को समझना, nothing more than you should not do more than this. India. So हमने क्या बोला? रॉक कट केव के लिए हमने क्या बोला था? Perhaps you remember, smaller shrines smaller, caves smaller, and then facets are smaller, and then I said that yes, but finer and slender. Yes or not? After that we have seen who has made the rock cut caves? Mahendra Varman first at Mamlapuram. यहाँ पर हम लोग, और which are the major shrines, and you can be able to see image over there. Vishnu rescuing the earth. Vishnu, I said that three sides: Durga, Gajalakshmi, Mahishasur, Mardini. Yes or not? Mardini. Mardini. And लगता है कभी तुमने दुर्गा पूजा, दशहरा पूजा में यही तो बोलते हैं, महिषासुर मर्दिनी. I said the Durga who has killed, and thereafter its name become what? That feature is Mahishasur. Durga is itself Mahishasur Mardini, but it is that feature is Mahishasur Mardini. Thereafter we have seen, I said that Krishna uplifting the Govardhan. That is the feature. उसके साथ हम लोगों ने वहां पे देखा, it is in a big. We have seen facets are big, shrines are big, and at the same time we have been able to see, but the comparatively finer and the slender, the smoothness, the quality is comparatively less. Thereafter we have been able to see Ajanta and Ellora. Ajantas are influenced by which one? Guptas, Vakatkas and these are Buddhist, और ये पूरा हिंदू Pallavas. And thereafter we have seen Ellora. Ellora is secular Rashtrakutas, and वहाँ पे 1 to 12 Buddhist, 13 to 29 I said that Hindu, and then 30 to 34 Jain, secular. Yes or not? Thereafter we come for, I said that structural में Mahabalipuram में which one I said that 5 pagodas, 5 ratha. What is the meaning of ratha? It is in a chariot structure, but it is having a monolith, strong standing. Yes, and self-standing feature. We have been able to see after that 5 pagodas. Dharmaraja, yes, Bhim, अर्जुना, नकुल सहदेव, द्रौपदी। लेकिन सभी में एक फीचर और देखा गया है, देखा गया यस, इट इज बुद्धा रिलेटेड चैत्याज एंड विहारा से इन्फ्लुएंस्ड, यस or not? Parallel, remember? And thereafter been also seen, I said that कि क्या देखा इसमें, मैं भूल ही गया क्या बोल रहा था, किसके बारे में, अच्छा पगोड़ास, मैं कहीं और चला गया था। I said that 5 pagodas, and then we have been able to see Bhima is sorry, Dharmaraja is square, very good. And Bhima elongated, curvilinear, and Draupadi. Is it okay? उसके बाद आगे हम लोग, what is it? There is a Shore temple also. Shore temple, it is, I said that, and there is, I said that it has been said in good books, it is writing there are 6 more pagodas are there which has been submerged. और कई बार आप 7 पढ़ते हो लेकिन पढ़ते हो 5 है ना, तो 7 किससे एसोसिएटेड है? Shore temple, understood it? And another 6 has been submerged. Thereafter we have seen, yes, tell me. Yes, Narsimha second, and the famous one Raj Simeswara, or K for Kailashnath, K for Kanchipuram. Is it okay? I said the stone architecture of South India began in 7th century under the Pallava rulers, and the remains of architecture of this period are mostly found at Mamlapuram and Kanchipuram. The cave shrines of Pallava period are smaller in size than those of Ajanta and Ellora. Facade of the caves are generally plain. Rock-cut caves at Mamlapuram are generally shallower than that in the Deccan, are more slender and elegant. Some examples are depiction of Vishnu rescuing the earth, Vishnu taking 3 strides, Gajalakshmi, Durga, Mahishasur Mardini, Krishna lifting Govardhana. The Mamlapuram remains of 5 rock-cut temples clustered together found, they are referred as 5 rathas, and these rathas are located in the close proximity to each other, but they are different architectural features display. Dharmaraja showing square, Draupadi curvilinear, Bhima longitudinal in shape. Construction of structural temples is started during the reign of Narasimhavarman first. This is all. Shore temple at Mamlapuram, it is also Narasimha first. Rasimeshwara or Kailashnath temple at Kanchipuram can be attributed to the reign of Rasimha. The Kailashnath temple is heavily ornamented than the other temples, heavily ornamented than other, and depiction of Soma Skanda, Shiva, So says, she says, Som, or इसी में Uma word and Skanda word is also there. So they have utilized more this kind of words in related to Kailashnath temple. Mahabalipuram is situated along the source of Bay of Bengal about 60 kilometers south of Chennai, regarded as a transition point between rock-cut cave temples and freestanding stone temples. They are called Panch Pandava Ratha, or the 5 chariots of Pandava. Ratha means a chariot. 5 Pandava Rathas are Dharmaraja and all. They are constructed in the style of Buddhist viharas and chaityas. Dharmaraja is the square and the largest, and while Draupadi Ratha is what? Smallest. Understood it? This is your Shore temple. Dikh raha pyramid, and it is in a pagoda. Yes or no? This is your, I said that, square and the largest, and this is what I said. Yes. This is Nakul Sahdev, and this is, I said that, Draupadi Ratha. इसमें आप क्या देख रहे हैं? Curved, curvilinear, and we have to start in the next class with, I said.